The problem of the dangling dongle with your GoPro 7, one of the issues or challenges I have with their dongle, and many people do, is it's kind of long, it's kind of awkward. What do you do with it? You zip tie it to your monopod, or how do you deal with the fact that the dongle that allows you to use a third-party microphone, hangs down and kind of dongles along? Well, I found a solution that is really, really super effective. So there's a number of cases out on the market for GoPros. You can put your GoPro in the case, and then you can put it on a selfie stick or what have you. But none of them were dealing with the dongle issue until I ran across this one here. Ulanzi, I guess is the name of the company. But they offer a couple different GoPro holders. And I'm just going to set this down, see if I can show you what it does. So there's a slot on the bottom here. And so what you do is you take your dongle and you feed it in the bottom of the little deal here, and it slides right in there just like that, nice and easy. And then it comes out the other side, and then you put your GoPro in like you would any other GoPro case. And this time you can go ahead and just plug your GoPro in like that, and now you've got your dongle out of the way and ready to go. And then you can plug your microphone into the side like you always would. Some of the nice features about this is it also has a cold shoe up on top. So if you want to put a light, or maybe you want to use the Shure microphone or the Rode Video Pro microphone, you can put those right up on top as well. I like to use lapel mic myself, so I've put together a setup where my lapel mic's always in the handle of my selfie stick. Now there's two different types of these. One of them is a GoPro attachment style, so you can put it on your selfie stick and then you can kind of move it and adjust it. But I don't necessarily need that on a selfie stick, because I can always do my wrist for whatever angle I want. So I was looking for something that was maybe a little lower profile, and so I went back to Amazon and I started searching again, and then I discovered that the same company makes one that just has a 1/4 inch screw on the bottom, so you have two different versions, you can see, of really the same device, one with the pivot and then one without the pivot. But the one without the pivot actually came with an attachment for a filter on the end. So now I can use also filters on there, and I still have that cold shoe up on top. And so I can slide my dongle right in the side of it, and I've got one compact piece. So it's a really great solution. Two different GoPro holders that deal with the dangling dongle issue. Hope you found this helpful. I'll put a link to these cases in my description. Thanks for watching.